Hello there everyone, I'm Shamil Kyle here. The second video which we are going to describe is about the user sign-up process, including the input validations. So what are validations? If you see here, if the user comes and fills the form without entering his first name and just pressing the sign up button, the message which shows here is basically known as the validations. So here it says to enter my first name. Okay, so it's the sign up button here. Okay, now your last name. Okay, again sign up, email. So the email, I will just enter my name and click sign up. You see here, it shows that the email is invalid because it didn't mention any specific address. So .com. Okay, and sign up. Please enter your password. I will only enter 2 letters. So it mentions we need to mention 5 or 520 characters. So random characters and sign up. The mobile number is 123 799 Okay, sign up. Must only contain 10, so I'll give it 10 and sign up. It shows the mobile number is invalid, so I'll enter a proper mobile number, not 7232 and sign up. So once I click sign up, everything goes to the database and it shows a success statement here. Okay, so all the data we filled will go to the database. Now I'll show you the connection. So this is the index. So this is the connection.php. So this is the part which maintains the relationship between the coding part and the database. So here you need to mention the password of the database and the table name. So I have used eShop 1 as here, and I will write my password later on. If you go to the database now, you can see we have 2 registered users. So this is the user who just entered Shamil@hotmail.com and Shamil and the password, so the random characters entered, and then one number, and yeah. So this is how it gets saved, and you can see this is the table name. Now let's go to the index part. PHP. If you see here, from here to here, we have mentioned all the design related stuff of the sign up page. So we have added our first name. If you see here, this is the form we are taking: first name, last name, email, password, mobile, gender, and also we are calling all the ID with the related parts. So first name F, last name L, email E, password P, mobile M, and gender G. And here, before that we have given ID is the reason because it will be easier for us to call at the JavaScript part. I will explain more when we get there. If you see here, we have mentioned a function, an on-click function called the signUp. So this is a sign-up button which we saw at the sign-up page. I'll show you. This button, the function is here. The on-click button function is here. So we'll get the details about the function that JavaScript style. Let's go to the JavaScript part. Here you can see the sign-up function over here. First we have to store all the needed IDs at the index PHP that we took and call them here. For this we use document.getElementById and store them using the variable name here. All the variables we store, we need to put them inside a form. For this we use new form data here and store it as form as a variable here. Code form.append. We save and store our needed data. And over here we take all the data from here and send them to signup process.php using the Ajax method. Now let's go check the signup process.php part. Here we have required the connection of PHP page because we need a connection between the database and the coding part here. So we have mentioned required a connection of PHP because we need this connection between these two. All the data we took from the JavaScript part we have stored in variables name here, error name, password, mobile, gender. For everything we have mentioned the $sign in front. So these are all the validations we have used. So for the first name, if we didn't enter the first name, this is the message we received. Please enter the first name. If we didn't type our last name, also if the first name has less characters or more than 50 characters, this message shows up. So if we didn't type our last name, please enter your last name, and if it's more than 50, we show this email. If the email is not valid, we will show the email is not valid, or please enter your email. An email must have less than 100 characters, and if it's not valid, invalid email address. So password. For these, everything we have used separate validations. Also in mobile, if you see in Sri Lanka, we use 07 and some 070 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. and then some other number from 0 to 9. If it's not a valid number, we will send this message. We have two queries over here, insert and search query. So if we go to the insert query first, using this query, all the data we take from form, we insert them to the database using this query. So this is a search query. So here we have mentioned the email and the mobile number. We check these two because if we get the same email or mobile number, the data will not get saved, and a validation will be shown in the design part. If you remember, in the previous one I showed you how the validations are shown, and if it's already exists, this validation will be shown in the design part. User with the same email or mobile already exists. I will show you again. Hotmail. Password random. See, you see here, this is the validation. Okay, so if we change this to, let's see, test at gmail.com, sign up. Yeah, so I think it was clear. Let's go to code. If you see here, $D new date time. So here when the user gets registered, the actual the time he gets registered gets noted, and this is the time zone. So we have mentioned Asia Colombo since we are here, and this is the format of the time, date, year, everything gets noted in the database. Check here this. So this is the date and this is the time. So the actual time, the present time which it gets registered, when the user get registered, will get noted over there. And everything is stored under this variable $date, and we store it inside join date. We submit them under join date. So if you go to the database, join date, under join database column, they are mentioned. This is important when it comes to search for a customer, and it gives a different unique number or a different time for that particular person, and it will be helpful when it comes to vouchers and giving specific kind of a gift or something. When you have any promotions, it will be really useful in future. Once everything is completed, we get a echo mentioning success. So if you remember, once we completed all the data in the form, see, you'll get a validation called success. Yeah, so once you get the success, once you get the success part, go to JavaScript. Here, so this is an additional part we did. So once you get success, we are telling the JavaScript to empty every field. So that's why if you check here, once we hit sign up button, every column gets empty. So everything gets cleared out, and we can start something fresh. So that's all we have here today. So that's our updates. Came here. So see you guys in the third video, and thank you for joining. See you guys soon.